You know, sometimes when people they tell you say they depressed or they are not happy, this one, that one, why me? They complain. Most times nothing they happen to them. I just greed. Oko ochicho. Oshi. Now they push them. Some of them, everything they fine, everything they okay with them. Till they hear say their friend don't buy Mercedes, build house Aba, build house Owerri, build house Lagos. Automatically 500,000 naira salary, 300k where they get a salary, no they do them again. They don't define waiting they no fit afford. They don't gree depression this. No be say this person now we saying they depressed, they hungry.